Dry your laundry in any small space when using the efficient and reliable Equator 3.5 cubic feet white compact dryer. Measuring 32.3 inches by 23.6 inches by 21.5 inches, the vented ED860 model is ideal for the most compact spaces, including tiny homes, RVs, and vacation rentals. This model can also be stacked with 3 of Equator's washers, the 824N, the EW835, and the EW826. Equipped with a stainless steel drum, the dryer's interior is built to withstand frequent use over the course of many years. Using a built-in sensor, the compact dryer automatically shuts off when all items inside reach optimal dryness. With 5 drying programs, including Extra Dry, Normal Dry, Refresh, and Damp Dry, ensure that each load of laundry turns out exactly as desired, without consuming excess energy. Another highly desirable setting is the refresh function, which allows you to refresh your clothes with a 12-minute hot-dry cycle. Other noteworthy features that come with the ED860 include a child lock, pause function, quiet cycle, dual dryer filter, door safety switch, wrinkle guard, adjustable leveling legs, and a high-speed turbofan. Backing the unmatched quality of the ED860 is a 1-year parts and labor warranty. Bring home the Equator Compact Dryer today.